Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Business Profile not publicly visible. So there are few reasons why your Google Business Profile isn't showing up publicly, and the solution also depends on the cause. So let me show you what are some of the causes that are leading you to this problem. So the first problem can be with your verification pending. So this is the most likely the scenario. A new Google Business Profile needs verification to confirm you are the legitimate owner. So the verification usually done by mail with a postcard sent to your business address. It can take up to 2 weeks to arrive. So once you get the code, you need to just log in into your GMB profile, and then you need to enter your details in order to verify it, and this will fix the issue. The second issue can be with the incomplete information or the inaccurate information that you have given. So Google basically wants to provide the most accurate information possible, so you need to make sure that all of your business details in the profile are up to date and complete. This includes things like your address, your phone number, your website category, and the description. Now, the third reason can be the profile suspension. So, in rare cases, Google might suspend your profile if it violates their guidelines. So, you need to check your GMB account for any notifications or warnings. Common reasons for suspension include misleading information, spammy content, or promoting illegal activities. So these were some of the things because of which you are not viewing your business profile. However, if this is not the case with you and still you are facing this problem, then what you can do is you can simply contact to their customer support team. For that, you just have to come to this page that says support.google.com, and then on this page you just have to scroll down a bit, and in the need more help section you need to press the contact us button. After that, you just have to fill out this form. So basically, in the first section you need to provide the details on the topic on which you want to seek help. So we want to seek help with Google Business Profile not showing. After that, you need to press next. Then in the resources, it will ask you to choose the description. So you just have to choose the fixed business name doesn't show, then press next step. After that, you need to press next step over here. Then you will be able to see various context options. So you can chat with them, and you can call with them, and you can use mail. So you just have to choose whichever option best suits you, and after that you just have to describe your problem, and they are going to help you in this regard. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.